So today I just have some really quick rock inspiration for you. You know I've been doing loads of rainbow rocks. This is going to be another one for you to try. So back around St. Patrick's Day, we did this really fun rainbow shamrock rock. Say that 5 times fast. We are going to do the same thing, kind of a mosaic style heart rainbow. So just draw your heart on. It doesn't have to be perfect. We have 6 colors, so you need 5 lines in here in the arches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna let these dry a little bit, then color them in. So once your colors have dried, you can go along and reline your outside, but we're also going to create this mosaic style effect by creating smaller sections within each color. So I like to do the sections before I redo the outline. One area at a time, just come through and create little triangles, diamonds, squares, just chop the space up however you kind of feel like doing it. And then when you add your outline, it will really create that fun stained glass or mosaic style look. So I'm going to do that over the entire rock. Once you've got all the sections filled in, you can leave it just like this, or you can add some fun designs along the outside. I'm gonna just kind of expand on this design to the edges before I consider it finished. Now for my last step, I'm gonna come in and add in some dots from the color that the stripes come from. So these ones will be red because the stripe is coming off of the red. And we're done. How cute. Super simple, fun, and easy. You know I love my rainbows and my heart rocks, so this one will be fun to hide around town. I hope you enjoyed this quick inspiration tutorial. We'll be back soon with some more fun rock painting ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Bye-bye.